thoughts don't feel like your thoughts. They come not from you. They repeat themselves. They pull. They don't shout. They seduce. And most people don't realize this. But ancient civilization noticed this patterns. Thousands of years ago, they didn't call it psychology. They didn't call it impulse. They are control. They gave it a name, and that is the name of a demon, which name is Asmodeus. When channels like Mokyo official speak about Asmodeus, they are not talking about a red demon with horns hidden under your bed. They are talking about a state of consciousness, one that quietly hijacks desires. Now, Asmodeus represent the moment when wanting something feels urged, even when it slowly destroys you. This is the force behind wanting, pressure without patience, craving without wisdom, desire without direction. And here's the truth most people never hear. Desire itself is not the problem. Desire is natural. Desire is human. Yeah, the demon appears when desire becomes impulsion. In ancient texts, Asmodeus, the demon, was said to destroy relationships, marriages, and stability. Not because love is cursed, but because uncontrolled desire fractures foundations. In human life today, Asmodeus show up as observe, obsessive thinking, as addiction loops, as sexual fiction, as emotional dependency, and chasing feelings that never last. You know this experience, that moment when your mind says, just one more time, just one more message, just one more hit, just one more distraction. Even when part of you knows better. Mokyo officer interpretations often explain that demons do not force humans. They amplify what already exists. Asmodeus does not create desire. He manifests it until it blinds your reason. And this is why people say, I don't know why I did that. I knew better, but I still did it. I wasn't thinking. That state, that loss of inner authority, that is what Asmodeus represents. Ancient people externalized this experience so they could study it. So they are the people who was hiding those things from the ordinary people. And that is why we as people fell into sin repeatedly, what even knowing what the consequences would be of doing this thing, with knowing what the results or the outcome would be if I repeat it and I know that I did it the last time. But it is not your mind. It is the demon that is called Asmodai. And that demon is what is controlling us as humans. This is the demon that are being sent to tear your marriage, your relationship, and even your bond with close people apart. This demon disguised itself in the human being. So you end up feeling like it is the loved one's fault for hurting you. You end up feeling it's the people nearby you fault for making you suffer. But it is actually the demon who is disguising himself within the human body, which is that demon's house. So you starting to fight your loved ones or the people close to you according to the feeling and the things that you went through um, by getting hurt by those people. But actually, that demon is within those people. And demons doesn't come in something you can see. It is a spirit that dwells amongst human beings, and it attacks itself according to the frequency state you are in at that moment. So if you are in a low vibration state, it can attack itself um, to you, but it comes through you. It attacks itself to you, but the things that happen, that those demons are creating what goes through you, through you. So if you are experiencing things where people hurt you physically, emotionally, or psychologically, those things are part of the demonic influence within the human beings that are around you. And those human beings are being the host of that demon which is called Asmodai. And this demon represents the things that I was talk about a couple ago. It represents the things um, you can create that lower vibration within you so it can attack itself and makes your life miserable. But the moment you get in contact with what I have told you, this what the specific demon is doing and representing, then you know that I am dealing with this demon whose name is Asmodai. And there's many YouTubers who is also doing the same niche as I and speaks of the specific demon Asmodai. You can even check in Morkio official channel. He often speaks about this kind of demons, but for now I'm speaking about Asmodai, um, this demon, what it represents and what influence it has on the human itself. So you know when you are dealing with this entity, what it represents, and how it are being created to tear you apart. And the moment you realize it, it will loosen its grip because it disguises itself as something normal that needs to be done by people close to you. And you know, what feeling went through when you are being doing when people are doing wrong to you. You know what kind of feelings went through you and how it affects you emotionally. So you will know what kind of spirit you are dealing with when you come across this and things that I've spoken about. So guys, if you want me to bring you more content about this course, I will in my next videos I will reveal more about the demons and what it represents and what the names are, so we would know with whom we're dealing with and with what we are dealing with, because these demons are thriving on ignorance. Demons like it when you are uninformed because it survives on your unconsciousness. And moment you starting to wake up and you know what you are dealing with, those demons loses its term, because demons can't stand when you are informed or when you are awakened. Those demons was enjoying or are enjoying it when they um, are getting that satisfaction through your unconsciousness, and how they can feed off your energy when they are using the people close to you to can destroy you. But the moment you know what you are dealing with, you can help yourself out of the circumstances, because people are hosts of these demons. And, they are not a host willingly of those demons. Those demons are using them to even destroy their lives through what they are doing to you. Because remember, what goes around comes around. And so those demons are using them to can get what comes around. To understand. And that is how the circle is circulating through what those demons are doing to humans. And humans have just a little limit of time living in the surface of the earth, because of what we are creating within this universe by our actions, and that can determine how long you as a person can live, because um, we are killing ourselves through the emotions and the ego and all that attached feelings that are attached to our identity. So this that demon is trying to demolish your identity, and is the first start of how it can cause not mental mental sickness or health problems, but it is inner battle that you are also dealing with, because it is emotions attached to you and you are acting according to the emotions that went through your mind um, during this time. So people, you must protect yourself, because you are not dealing with the physical, you are dealing with spirits that are dwelling amongst the human beings, and inside human beings can destroy you So, to protect yourself is to get knowledge. But for now, I want you to like and subscribe and share to those who you think will appreciate this video. And I love you guys, and I want you to even communicate with me in my comment section, and I will be glad to answer each and every one's comment in my comment section. Right?